Redefine what stability and versatility means in your workshop with the Massca M1 aluminum pocket hole jig system, the toughest pocket hole jig on the market. Featuring a full body aluminum frame and hardened steel drill guides, it's built with durability in mind. Its all metal construction ensures a tough and heavy duty pocket hole jig that's meant to last a lifetime, and also feels sleek to the touch. The M1 gives you the ability to drill pocket holes with advanced hole precision. You can create perfect pocket holes, repair wood joints, and accurately pre-drill pilot holes at the right angle before connecting wood boards using the Massca M1 pocket hole jig. With the included dust spout connector, you can easily capture loose debris, particles, and sawdust while creating your pocket holes to reduce allergens in the air for dust-free drilling. Each pocket hole jig kit features an easy drill depth knob to quickly adjust to the thickness of the wood, avoiding damage, splinters, or splits. The included drill depth knob allows you to quickly set the stop collar on your drill bit to ensure proper drilling depth on materials from 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 1/2 inches. The Massca M1 pocket hole jig system can also be easily converted to a portable pocket hole jig for use on larger stock or on the job site to make quick pocket holes. Our pocket hole jig system also features a T-track slot on the underside of its body. Clamp down our jig system to any surface, obstruction-free with any fitting track saw clamp. Setting up the Massca M1 pocket hole jig for use is quick and easy. The integrated thickness scale allows you to quickly see the thickness of the material you're using, in this case 3/4 of an inch. Using that measurement, you will set the drill guide block to 3/4 of an inch. Then using the drill depth knob, set the collar on your drill bit to 3/4 of an inch. Then adjust our micro-adjustable clamping system to the desired pressure. You're now ready to drill pocket holes into 3/4 inch material. Each M1 jig comes standard with extra carpentry accessories. We've added a hex key, stop collar, set of screws, as well as a drill and driver bit. These accessories help you set the right drill depth and allow you to get started working with wood quickly and easily. Whether you love building cabinets, tables, furniture pieces, or just love the woodworking or DIY trade, this pocket hole jig system is great for beginners and pros alike. The Massca aluminum pocket hole jig system lets you create perfect pocket holes for joining two boards together seamlessly. It's also lightweight and portable, so it's easy to take on the go. The Massca M1 is the toughest pocket hole jig on the market, which ensures you will enjoy a lifetime of project building.